Today I'm going to show you how to make the Keyblade from Kingdom Hearts 1, 2, or 3, depending on your perspective. Here are the following tools and materials you will need for this build. First, I marked down all the sizes that I needed for the Keyblade on the bits of dowel. After that, I cut them down. I used a handsaw, but you can use a chop saw or a bandsaw or whatever the hell. Actually, no, don't use a bandsaw. That won't end well for you. You either use a chop saw or a handsaw. Don't use a bandsaw. After that, I drilled a bunch of holes in. Remember to use sharp dowel bits or the bits will just fly everywhere and then you'll end up getting crooked holes, and you don't want that. That's something I'm probably going to get quoted on later. I used the thin dowel bits I had, cut them up and put them in the holes, and then used wood glue to put them together. This would act as a strengthener for the Keyblade in case you ever decide to go swinging it around anywhere. I kind of lost all the measurements, but in total it should add up to about 37 inches, so aim somewhere around there. After all that was done, I continued on to make the teeth and handguard out of EVA foam and foam core. You can get templates off of Google Images to get a precise image of what you want, unless you decide to do your own little twist on the Keyblade, because everybody's making their own Keyblade. In fact, I've got one that's going to be coming out just after this video, but that's a story for another time. Moving on. Attach the eyelid to the bottom of the Keyblade. Then take a swivel hook and a length of chain of whatever you want to use, whether it be from a pair of dollar store handcuffs or an actual chain, and attach them together. Then make the Mickey Mouse symbol out of craft foam and very thin cardboard. That's how I made it. Or if you're stubborn, I suppose you could go out and buy the keychain, but come on, where's the fun? Next, drill the holes into the handguard and cover everything in 5 layers of watered down white glue. After that, start masking everything down, and you can start spray painting. After that, make the grip out of craft foam. And with that, you are finally done. I hope this video was a lot of help, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If so, I'd appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. It kind of helps me with motivation and making these videos a bit faster. I'm really sorry for the giant gap, but motivation, it's an aggravation. Anyway, that's all for today. I will see you all in the next video.